my name is Monical and I'm from the Allentown YMCA, and today we're going to do a science project called hopping corn. Before we start, I'm going to go over the ingredients that we're going to use. The first ingredient is vinegar. The second is our popcorn. The third is baking soda and 2 cups of water. And then a clear vase that we're going to use to make our experiment. So before we start, I want you to think of a couple of questions. One, what do you think this experiment is about? 2, what do you think is going to happen? And then once the experiment is done, I want you to tell me what happened. So I'm going to put my 2 cups of water in. And right here, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking soda. Let's see here. Going to add a little bit more so we get some really good popping. And then we're going to add a handful of popcorn. And you can put food coloring in here if you want. But for right now, I'm not. Alright, so right now we have our 2 cups of water, our tablespoon of baking soda, and some popcorn. Alright, so, and now we're going to add, and you can measure out your vinegar, or you can, just pour it in to see what happens. So let's see what's going to happen. We'll add a little bit at a time to see if it works. Anybody see the popcorn popping? Let's try again. Oh, I see it. And a little more. Oh, I see it. Pop, 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 pop. So, as you see the popcorn popping up and down, let's shake it. Let's see if that'll keep them popping there. So, with the vinegar and the baking soda, it causes this reaction where it makes the popcorn pop. Some pop up and down, as you can see. And depending on the amount of baking soda that you put in vinegar, it could pop for a while, it could pop for 4 or 5 minutes. And I think they're all done. Let's see. Let me see if I add a little bit more vinegar and see what happens. What happens when you add the vinegar? It kind of starts fizzling out. And there we go. Thank you for coming out and doing a science experience with Miss Monical, popping popcorn. Remember, answer your questions. What happened after I poured the vinegar and the baking soda in? What happened to the popcorn? Did it start popping up and down? And it did. Good job. Have a good day. Bye.